Hey people, so we are at this place called Satyam Sports World, and the starting range of the games here would be from I think 300, and yeah, so correct. So we would just, you know, and so this place is in Bachupalli, and as you can take a look, it's pretty. But why two? You want two?
Yes, 40 rupees.
But why can't you take one?
Because one is 20.
Yeah, so you and we'll take a look at the what is the starting price range of the games that are here.
200, 250, 300.
Correct, and these are mostly all brain. Like I noticed that there are games that would help a child's. So could you show us one of the things so that see like we have chess and then there are games like Housey and oh Brain Vita, that used to be my favorite.
That's calculation.
Okay, rough calculation something. Oh, this is 8 and plus trivia. Wow, correct. So this rapid calculation something that is easy to play. So I think it's very important when a child is like my son is 10 right now, brain builder wooden building planks. So people, if you all are ever visiting Bachpalli, this place is called Satyam Sports World, and it's a place worth visiting. Truly, memory skills. Absolutely, I think I will.
Related to brain.
Yes, I think this place is highly recommended for anyone with school-going kids. So on that note, thanks for watching, and please subscribe.